Good day, everyone. Today, I will share to you the history of transportation part 2. I would like to begin with the invention of Carl von Reyes. In 1817, he invented a horseless carriage that helped him get around faster. The two-wheel device was made of wood and had no pedal. Do you wonder how it moves? The rider pushed along the ground as if walking or running. The horseless carriage was known by many names, including velocipede, hobby horse, draisen, and running machine. Because of this invention, he was acknowledged as the father of bicycle, and it led to the creation of modern-day bicycle. Let us talk about another land transportation, the steam locomotive engine. In 1814, George Stephenson designed the Blucher, an 8-wagon locomotive capable of hauling 30 tons of coal uphill at a speed of 4 miles per hour. In 1824, he improved the efficiency of his locomotive and built locomotion number 1 to carry passengers on a public railway. In 1830, he opened the Liverpool and Manchester Railway, the first public intercity railway line. It did not use animal traction power and was the first to provide scheduled passenger service. George Stephenson was hailed as the father of railway. Let us see a transportation ran by an electricity. An early electric boat was developed by German inventor Moritz von Jacobi in 1839. The boat was 7.3 meters and capable of carrying 14 passengers at one time with a speed of 4.8 miles per hour. It took over 30 years to build the battery and the motor before the boat began to be widely used. Did you know that the first gasoline engine automobile was built in 1862 by Etienne Lenoir? He had adapted his engine to run on liquid fuel. Are you aware of the riding car known as Daimler Reitwagen? It was an invention from the minds of Gottlieb Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach, his engineer. Their original intent was to just test out their groundbreaking of grandfather clock engine. Coincidentally, they created a motorcycle in 1885. It has a petrol internal combustion engine. Because of his invention, Gottlieb Daimler was known as the father of motorcycle. Moving on, did you know what is an electromote? It was the world's first vehicle run like a trolley bus. It was invented by Ernst Werner von Siemens in 1882. The innovative device pulls electricity from overhead wires, but runs like road wheels, not on rails. Moving on, Thomas Parker invented a practical production of first electric car in 1884. He used his own specially designed high-capacity rechargeable batteries. It took Parker 132 trials before finally making his car. Moving on, while Daimler was working on his line of cars, Carl Friedrich Benz invented the three-wheeled motor car known as the motor wagon in 1886. It was the first true modern automobile powered by an internal combustion engine. In 1926, Benz merged with Daimler to create a brand, Mercedes-Benz. And the rest, as they say, is history. Cars continued to develop around the world. The start of the 20th century was truly the dawn of a new era in the history of air transportation, as the two American brothers, Wilbur and Orville Wright, pulled off the first powered flight in 1903 as they invented the world's first airplane. Moving on, did you know Paul Cornu? He was a French bicycle maker and pioneer in vertical flight in 1907. He built the first helicopter, Cornu, prototypes to ever carry a human off the ground. Let us talk about the invention of spacecraft. The Soviet Union surprised much of the Western world in 1957 with its successful launch of Sputnik, the first satellite to reach outer space. 4 years later, the Russians sent the first human pilot, Yuri Gagarin, into the outer space aboard the Vostok 1. Several space flights to the moon took place from 1969 to 1972. Spacecrafts continued to develop. Lastly, innovation in transportation technology is at an all-time high, with creative solutions that are helping us get down the block, across the country or globe, and even into the outer space. That's all. Thank you for listening. Bye.